Hello everyone. Welcome back to ESC Grammar and Structure. Let me ask you something. If someone asks, "What time is it?" would you answer, "It's 4:30. Or, "It's 4:30. Wait. Is 4:30 actually 4:30? Or is it 3:30? Many English learners get confused because Americans and British people often tell time differently. The good news? By the end of this lesson, you'll understand both systems like a native speaker. We'll learn basic ways to tell time, American expressions, British expressions, common mistakes, real conversations, mini quiz, and native speaker tips. Let's begin. Part 1. The basics of telling time. Before comparing American and British English, let's review the basics. Look at this time. 3 o'clock. We simply say, "It's 3 o'clock." Easy. Now look. 3:05. We can say, "It's 3:05. Or, "It's 3:05. Both are correct. AM and PM. Remember, AM equals before noon. PM equals afternoon. Examples. 7 a.m. It's 7 a.m. 7 p.m. It's 7 p.m. Native speakers often drop AM or PM when the meaning is obvious. For example, "What time is dinner?" "It's 7. Everyone already knows it's evening. Part 2. The American way. Americans usually read the numbers exactly as they appear. Examples. 4:10. It's 4:10. 5:25. It's 5:25. 8:48. It's 8:48. 11:56. It's 11:56. Simple. Americans love digital time. Just read the hour. Then read the minutes. Quarter and half. Americans also say 4:15. It's a quarter after 4. Or, "It's 4:15. Both are common. 4:30. It's 4:30. Sometimes, "It's 4:30. But 4:30 is much more common. 4:45. Americans often say, "It's a quarter to 5. Or, "It's 4:45. Again, digital reading is extremely popular. Part 3. The British way. British English uses many traditional expressions. You'll hear them every day. 1. Past. 8:05. It's 8:05. 8:10. It's 8:10. 8:20. It's 8:20. Notice something? They say the minutes first. Then the hour. 2. Now imagine the clock is moving toward the next hour. 8:40. How many minutes until 9? 20. So British speakers often say, "It's 20 to 9. Not 8:40. Although they understand it. More examples. 8:50. 10 to 9. 8:55. 5 to 9. Quarter. 8:15. Quarter past 8. 8:45. Quarter to 9. Very common. Half. Now here's the part that confuses learners. 4:30. British English. 4:30. Many people shorten it to 4:30. This means 4:30. Not 3:30. The word half means 4:30. Never forget this. Part 4. Side-by-side comparison. Let's compare both styles. Example 1. 3:15. American. 3:15. Or. Quarter after 3. British. Quarter past 3. Example 2. 6:45. American. 6:45. Or. Quarter to 7. British. Quarter to 7. Both use this expression. Example 3. 9:20. American. 9:20. British. 20 past 9. Example 4. 10:50. American. 10:50. British. 10 to 11. Example 5. 2:35. American. 2:35. British. 25 to 3. Notice something? Americans usually read numbers. British speakers often think about the clock. Part 5. Special expressions. Exactly. Example. 8 o'clock. Exactly 8. Right at 8. Around. Example. It's around 5. It's about 5. It's nearly 5. It's almost 5. Just after. Example. It's just after 6. It's just past 6. Just before. Example. It's almost 7. It's just before 7. Part 6. Real conversations. Conversation 1, American. John, what time is the meeting? Mary, it's 10:30. Conversation 2, British. John, what time is the meeting? Mary, it's 10:30. Same meaning. Conversation 3, 12:15. What time is lunch? British. It's 12:15. American. It's 12:15. Conversation 4, 7:55. What time does the movie start? British, 5 to 8. American, 7:55. Part 7. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Wrong, 20 after 5. Correct, 20 past 5. Mistake 2. Quarter before 6. Quarter to 6. Mistake 3. 4:30 means 3:30. 4:30 means 4:30. Mistake 4. 5:40 to 6. 20 to 6. Mistake 5. Confusing past and to. Remember. Past equals after the hour. To equals before the next hour. Part 8. Easy memory trick. See the clock. Use. Past. Use. To. Example. 7:20. 20 past 7. 7:40. 20 to 8. Simple. Part 9. Mini quiz. Ready? Pause the video after each question. Question 1. Tell the time in American and British. Answer. American. 5:15. Or. Quarter after 5. British. Quarter past 5. Question 2. American. 8:50. British. 10 to 9. Question 3. American. 3:30. British. 3:30. Or. 3:30. Question 4. American. 11:45. Or. Quarter to 12. British. Quarter to 12. Excellent. Final review. American Digital Time. Hour plus minute. British clock expressions. minute plus hour. And remember the use of both past and to. Quarter equals 15 minutes. Half equals 30 minutes. Now, here's today's challenge. Can you say these times in both American and British English? 1. 7:20. 2. 9:45. 3. 2:35. 4. 11:50. Write your answers in the comments below. I'll be reading them. If this lesson helped you understand telling time in American and British English, don't forget to like this video. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to ESC Grammar and Structure. Because we make English grammar simple, practical, and fun. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning, and keep improving your English every day.